Alright, out here doing some testing and got this F-bomb bottle opener downloaded, got it into sheet cam, figured out how to do the post processor there. That took forever, and then tried to load it, found out I didn't do it correctly because there's an update you're supposed to put with it. So I went ahead, downloaded that, got that taken care of, and now I got the program loaded and just out here doing a dry run. So that's about 40 inches per minute. When I start it, I'm actually gonna drop this down to I'm gonna drop it down to about 30, which is 77%, because I didn't really set the inches per minute when I set it. I just figured I'd do the dry run, see what that looked like, and then go ahead and try it. So we're almost done finishing up here, and we're gonna go ahead and get the generator fired up and do some cutting. Alright, so it's loud in here. I had some problems. I had to get all the settings right. It's not cut ready. I got to put it on my own. I got it tested, so should be able to start cutting this one. I did a couple test cuts already. I just got to make sure the air compressor gets enough air in it because it's pretty low. And then we'll bring it back. So it's not too bad. It's not a lot of scale on it. turn you around here, explain what I got going on. So I had to adjust the programs, and one had fired you up, and then it quit working. And I messed with it, I couldn't figure it out. It was one of those stupid things you do. Turn around here. The damn cap came loose, so it was getting looser. And it was going down farther and farther. I couldn't figure it out at that time until I got my face down there and looked at it, and the cap was loose. So what it was doing was every time it would set 0 and it would come up. Well, as the cap got down farther, the flame got longer. So air compressor just took a shit, so pretty sure the wire came loose in the plug and it shortened out on the generator. So might be a minute before we get another part, but I mean, it's not bad. This was I downloaded this from FireShare. However, it wasn't a cut ready file. So I bought sheet cam last night. I've been holding off, trying to research, and found out that, okay, this is gonna work better for me for downloading DXF files. And then it took me a minute to figure out exactly what I needed to do with the pierce height and the cut delay and all that, which on here there's a few little nicks, but I mean, if you used to clean those up, I'd clean up pretty good. I mean, there's not a lot of scale on here. I haven't touched this other than pulling it out. Got some here. The lines look nice. Small little taper. Can't see it. Small little taper as it went, cut down through and out. But yeah, so this is supposed to be an F-bomb bottle opener. I got somebody I'm going to give it to. Just trying to mess around with different files. So see if we can get this air compressor running. Fault file.